You click a link. For about 2 seconds, nothing. A blank page. A spinner. It feels like waiting. It isn't. In those 2 seconds, your computer talks to machines on 3 different continents. It agrees on a secret language with a stranger. And it reassembles a page it has never seen, piece by piece. Here's everything that happens in the gap. Start with what you actually clicked. Something like this, a name. Friendly, readable, made for humans. But the internet doesn't move data to names. It moves data to numbers, an IP address. So before anything else can happen, your computer has one job. Turn this name into a number. This is DNS, the Domain Name System. Think of it as asking for directions. Your computer asks a nearby resolver, where is example.com? If the resolver doesn't know, it asks the servers above it, the ones responsible for .com, and then the ones responsible for the name itself. The answer comes back down the chain. Here's your number. Your computer remembers it, so next time it won't have to ask. Now you have the address. But knowing where someone lives isn't the same as talking to them. Before sending anything real, the two machines shake hands. 3 quick messages. Your computer says, "Let's talk." The server says, "Sure, let's talk." Your computer says, "Great." 3 steps. And now there's an open line both sides agree on. But that line is wide open. Anyone in between could read it. So there's a second handshake. Your computer and the server prove who they are, then agree on a secret key that only the two of them know. From this moment on, everything they send is scrambled. Anyone listening in the middle sees noise. That's the little padlock in your address bar. Not decoration. A promise. All of that, and we still haven't asked for the page. Now we can. Your computer sends a short message down the private line. Get me this page. That's it. A verb and an address, plus a few notes about who's asking. On the other side, the server gets to work. Maybe it reads a database. Maybe it assembles the page on the spot. Then it answers, starting with a status. 200. Okay. Here it comes. And then the page begins streaming back. Not all at once, but in a flurry of small packets. Your browser takes that stream of bytes and reads it like a blueprint. Headings, paragraphs, images, styles. It builds the structure, arranges everything into a layout, and then, finally, paints it, pixel by pixel, onto the glass in front of you. A name turned into a number, a handshake, a shared secret, a request, an answer, and a page rebuilt from scratch, all before you could finish blinking. That's the gap, and it happens every single time you click.